always been told to love myself.
Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make a chocolate mousse cake, but I'm going to make one of these very quick, easy recipe kinds. I'm going to make it in a very quick and easy way. So if you are interested to see, and I'm bending over here because I've just come back from the gym and I'm really tired. However, people in my family are requesting this recipe, and being a Friday and the weekend just around the corner, I feel compelled to make this dessert. So if you're interested to see how I make my chocolate mousse cake, please keep watching. Well, there you have it, everybody. I hope you enjoyed watching me make my favorite chocolate mousse cake with strawberries in between, one of my family's favorites. So, and this is for the weekend. So if you enjoyed watching me make this very rich royal dessert, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and make sure you hit that notification bell for all the upcoming videos. So on that note, take care. Thank you again for watching. Bye for now.